Hello guys, what is up? My name is Xiao. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how I transform myself into the character Boo from Monsters Incorporated. So to see how I do all of that, just keep on watching. Alright, so for this transformation, you're going to need a pink shirt. I got this from one of the costume stores. This is the only thing that they had. I gotta modify it. It's scissors, thread, and a sewing needle, and some purple tights. Stores that I went to didn't have the ones with for the hairpiece, so I'm gonna have to make my own. I'm gonna use this and then make like little pom-poms, I guess, and glue it on there. Socks, E6000. Two. Forming into a ball. I'm just gonna wrap it, and wrap it the other way. Just gonna glob a little bit on there. Well, that's a lot. And just gonna wrap it until it covers the glue. And I'll go the other way. Let's hope this will let that dry. Which one works, because I'm not sure. To this one. Alright, here's the before of this shirt. I don't really play Fortnite, but this was the only option they had in the costume store. So what I'm gonna do is make this more fitting to my body, keep the length, cut off the sleeves, make it more to my elbow instead of all the way down to past my fingertips. I'm going to take my other shirt, I'm going to trace it. I know where to cut for the sleeves and for the shape. I use a Sharpie and just go really, really light. Gonna cut it out. Alright, here is after I cut it. It's this. Alright, gonna cut part of the sleeves off. Do it on the other side. And then here is this when I cut this part of the sleeves. This way, that way. Alright, here is this. Since I don't have push pins, I'm using binder clips. And I ran out, so I started using paper clips. So just use what you have. You even use bobby pins just to hold it together as I'm sewing along this shirt. I'm going to take your sewing needle, your thread, your scissors. I'm going to use this pink thread here. Go through the needle eye hole. And then pull it through till it's even. I don't have a sewing machine, so I had to hand sew this. Tie a knot. Okay, I'm gonna do a running stitch along all of the parts. Through that way. And then pull through like that. Alright, here is this. I didn't realize it's actually very, very tight. I don't want it to be tight. The dress is not tight. And so I'm gonna have to add a few more modifications. Alright, so I'm gonna have to make this a little bigger, the bottom part, because it's very tight. I'm gonna cut a triangle, fold it in half to do this. And then I should have some room to put into to make the skirt a little wider. I'm gonna use these fabric scraps to do that. This is the back. Right, this is gonna be the front part inside out once I'm finished with this part sewing. Alright, here's this. It's kind of weird in the front and the back, but it's not as tight, so that's good. So, alright, here is the finished costume transformation. Alright guys, I really hope you can enjoy this transformation of me becoming Boo from Monsters Incorporated. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay tuned for more of my videos, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you, bye bye.